Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out by the Lexus RX400 hybrid again. I had some problem before, but to the electric opening and closing of the tailgate. You see how close there, but you have an opening button here. And I had some problem. The system had stopped working completely from the key from inside the car, and this one had never worked. Pushing, button don't work. Then I have ordered a button. From AliExpress. That hopefully this button is a push button to open the tailgate. As you can understand it, sorry about all the noise around here, but looks like it's held by the two screws. Coming out here, that's difficult, but I have to get in there. Looks like I have to get in and get out the rest of the system. First I can try to get out the two screws. Let me see. I have to get in underneath this. This I have been out with it before, as you see. And then I have to get in to remove more things. I think at least I have 2 or 3 screws in here. Maybe I just have to get off more plastic parts. There, I have to take off the things here, and then I start to get open to much more things. You see up here now, you see in here is the system coming through. Here is the connector. And just try to get that small one out. I need to buy me some tools to make it easier for me to get things like this out. And it's one more. The system is loosening up. Hanging in one screw. Yeah. Take with me the new one and go up. So I'm just jumping around. There. The whole system is loose. Okay. Now I see. I couldn't have taken it out that easy anyway, because it's hanging in those system here. So, okay. Yeah, just as easy would have been not take off the number plate, not fight with the things here, and just screw out the screws in here, one plastic clip. Yeah. Get it 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. I just have to use my plastic things to pry this through without ruining everything. Yeah. Old controller is out. Let's hope it's the controller was the problem. No, it's just putting a new one. See the plastic is going through there. Now I can just okay, say I have to put it in over there. Yeah. Just put in the screws right away. So I missed the option. I was trying to take on the number plate. There's no point doing that. It's better just to open and take it from the inside right away. Now this has to go into the area there and in back into the car. Here we need the long 10mm again, because I need to get the 5 screws back here. Yeah, you need to get this one back here. 5 screw, and this system have to go through there. That was kind of easy. Yeah. So there's no point taking off the number plate and making the mess I was doing there. Okay. We get in here. Just put this one. These four connectors there, and this one have to go to the light on the holder. Now just putting all the 5 screws up here. And one here is going to now everything should be working. So if I close here, now this button, if it was the button, yeah. Luckily, now I can manually open the back without having to rely on the electric motor. Yeah, then I can just put the things together and call it a day. But before I go on and start touching the clean interior parts, I have to go and clean up my fingers. Yeah, I clean up the fingers. Much better start. This is the part who's going highest up. I have to put on the light. Yeah, then the button for opening the tailgate, the back door is switched out. The old one here is not working. I don't going to use much time checking this. It's just no point. No, new one is in. That was at least. There, it's opening. It's just the system was not closing. Normally here is working. Now I can open it by using that button. That I call a success. That helped me. Hopefully that system is working even if the other system is stopping. That happens sometimes now. So, yeah. It was not expensive. I bought it at AliExpress. A couple of hundred Norwegian kroners, I think. And I was, as you saw in the video, trying to take out the screws and take it out that way. It was just hopeless. Take down the two plates and then you get up to, take down those plates, get up to 5 10mm bolts in the top here. 5 bolts holding this area. Then Dave was out. It was quite easy to get into the system and easy to change. Just don't waste time taking out the number plate and fighting with the screws like I was doing. It's much easier just to take out the inside part on the door and take it from there. Yeah. Sorry about all the cars going by here. It's kind of crazy. Cars going by here all the time. But at least I fixed it again. Not expensive. Fixed it myself. That's why you guys have to try to learn. Things start to be so expensive, and today is Wednesday, the 2nd of April. Today, Senior Trump from the President of USA just want to put on some more taxes to taking things into USA. So in and out and export, and things are, I'm afraid everything is going to be more expensive for us, everyone. I hope I'm not right, but afraid it's going to be that. Then we seriously have to learn better to fix our cars, because cars are more expensive. Yeah, problems are coming, I think. Let's hope I'm wrong. Thank you. Please come back. Please start follow the channel and put a like on the video and put some comments. I have a lot of other videos about RX400 hybrid now. I'm working on the brake on the other one. I have blue one too. So that was rusted up and stuck, and I'm coming back with a video on that one too. Yeah, goodbye.